Good morning. Sorry, I haven't washed my hair yet, so I've got bed hair. So that's why I've got my hood up. We are at Plymouth Sound CAMC campsite in Plymouth, in Devon, which is not very far from where we live. Actually, it's about 3 miles away, but there is a reason for that. I won't go into that now. So let me just show you around this campsite. It's all grass pitches. It's about 6:30 in the morning. There's quite a few vans here. Oh, and a crow. Let me just turn you around properly. Right, so as you can see, the grass is quite wet after all the rain we've been having. The campsite provides people with these little mats to put under their wheels to help get you off the grass when you move. Hopefully that's going to work. I was a bit scared about that. Let's go over here. In there is the dog walk, I think. And last night he said, Leon, I think it was Leon said, is that a bloke with an owl walking through the campsite? Yes, you heard me right, an owl. Anyway, bloke with a eagleowl, can't remember what sort of eagleowl it was, comes in to this like dog walky bit with his owl on his arm, and like he didn't do an official display, but he was like just practicing, because I think the owl he said was 6 years old. He's raised him from 3 weeks old, and he lives in one of the houses there. And he just like was in here flying his owl around like you do, feeding it little chicks, dead ones. And he had quite a gathering of people watching, and he was like really good, gave us lots of information. And the owl came up quite close, landed on the fence, because the owl likes people with cameras. So yeah, I got loads of footage about that, which I shall put in right now.
Swallows, he's not too sure how it all works. So yeah, think of this big mighty creature being attacked by something about that big, and he's actually afraid of them, so there you go. But in his head we don't know about this. Either he's a human and we're all humans here, or he's finally figured out that he's an owl but we're all giant owls, and that is pretty much what's in his head at the moment. So you can pick what owl you like, and that is what you are in his little brain. Come on then. So then, owls are very interesting creatures when it comes to hunting. They don't like moving targets that much. As you can see, he's not that interested until I stop. Then I start wiggling, and he'll go, is he going to move? Yeah? Am I going to move? Oh no. But they don't like moving targets. It's hard for owls, they're not like hawks. So the best way to describe them, they're like cats. He's a cat with wings, effectively. And a very grumpy cat at the moment. Alright. Up up! Up up! Up up! Up up! Go on then! I have no more food, so this is where, in a falconry's term, you're very unlucky now. Because luckily, Everest is pre-ox trained, so he's on a rope. So your safety, my safety, his safety. So, oh, you see the seagull, he's going to act like a rock now. But,
So it is.
Never mind. Not quick enough. And you mugged me up. If it works out perfectly, don't work with
if you can see, but over there is bits of Plymouth and stuff. Not, well, sort of Plymouth, I don't know. Anyway, you've got the Plymouth Sound, that's the water, which is like, yeah, I suppose you would call it the bay in Plymouth, which is like, it is the English Channel. I don't really want to walk on the grass, to be quite honest with you, because it's wet. Very wet. I don't know if you can see the breakwater down there somewhere. What we can hear is birds. Electric hookup in this area where we are. I think you can go in there somewhere, but I don't think they're available at the moment where I just showed you, where the owl person was. I think you can go in there, but I don't think that's electric hookup. So there is the mighty basil. It's not a very big site. Ouch. So you have got, I haven't actually looked at this yet. Right, drinking water, wastewater, bins, recycling, chemical waste point here. What's this? Please keep your dog on a lead. Don't know what that is. There's the mats available. And service point where you can empty your grey waste. And there, grey waste water, drinking water as well, again. And this is the way you come in. Just turn you off a minute. So you drive in from there. It's a bit of a narrow lane, but it's not for very long. Coming up there, or depending which way you're coming. And here is the reception. Park here, speak to the people, and then I think, yeah, he showed us to the pitches that were available, because obviously some are wetter than others, so that's what happened. And that's it really. I can't remember how much it was. Fields in there. That's all I can show you really. Oh, information, didn't see that, let's have a look. Get the information shed. Defibrillator, bits of information, village stores, countryside mobility, It's like the National Trust scheme from what I can remember. And other things as well by the looks of it. Walking maps available for sale and reception. Site information, leaflets. Emergencies, what 3 words for here? Hospital. Other bits and bobs. And that. I don't know if we had one of those actually. Wildlife Watch Board. There we go. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, flags by the looks of it. Made of wood. Right. That's that. Thank you for watching. Bye.